Here we have example 7 for the product rule. Again, you have to look at the function and break it into two parts. I'll use 9x raised to the 2/3 as my u, x minus 3 raised to the 1/2 as v. As I take the derivative, we see dy dx will equal u dv plus v du. So my u comes straight down. The derivative of this portion would be 1/2 x minus 3 raised to the negative 1/2 plus v is unchanged du. If you do 2/3 times 9, you get your 6. X raised to the 2/3 minus 1, that's where the negative 1/3 comes from. On my next line, I drop the respective terms down. We see we have a negative exponent here and here, so those drop down as denominators. And then from there I decide to get common denominators. So I multiply this first fraction on the top and bottom by x to the 1/3. The second fraction gets multiplied by 2 times x minus 3 raised to the 1/2, again on the top and the bottom. What that does for me in this next line, as I look at x to the 2/3, x to the 1/3, base exponent, you add those, that just becomes x. So this would be 9x. That's what you see here. On the second fraction, the 6 times 2 is my 12. X minus 3 to the 1/2, x minus 3 to the 1/2, base exponent. You add those exponents, that becomes x minus 3 to the first power. Now that allows me to distribute this 12 across the set of parentheses, becoming 12x minus 36. And so in my last line here, I write 21x, because 9x plus 12x is the 21x, minus 36, over that common denominator of 2 times the quantity x minus 3 raised to the 1/2 times x to the 1/3.